Okay, I'll go feed the kitty. I didn't see the cat outside, but she's telling me the cat's outside. She's meowing and meowing and meowing to go feed this cat that's outside. Hi, kitty. Hey, kitty, are you hungry? I give you free food. Say hi to the camera, kitty. Get so happy. So she's the one telling me, meow, meow, meow. And she was scraping on the window to feed this guy. You go, boy. Gary's eating. Are you happy? You stay inside, though. You happy? He's eating. Go look, he's eating. I fed him. He's eating. Yeah. Oh, she's so happy. That's what it was. She wanted him to eat. Let me see if I get the camera lens off. Are you happy he's eating? You guys can see he's eating. He's happy. She's so happy. I'm sorry, I didn't see him. She's so happy I'm feeding him. She's like a Lassie cat. Instead of Lassie dog, Lassie cat. There's so many stray cats in this neighborhood. But this cat found him. I didn't even see him out there until she was meowing at the door. Look how happy. She's so proud of herself. Anyways, there's no editing in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. It's just me pausing it once in a while.